Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy and GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's cab. Remove any power lines or harnesses from the work area. Step 3. This frame kit features perforations to accommodate the front cab mount and transmission crossmember. If you're keeping these parts, remove the perforations. If you're replacing them, remove the parts now. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area. Spray the work area with weld-through primer and slide the frame section onto the frame. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Install your replacement cab mount and or transmission crossmember, if applicable. Step 6. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall any power lines or harnesses, then lower and reinstall the cab. Now, get back out on the road.